So we're also here today to take a look at the proper way to clean the two-lite slider. Now this window is cleanable from the inside of the home. So of course you would clean the interior surfaces. I typically do that at the end in case I would touch them while I'm taking the window out or putting it back in. But it's really up to you whether you want to do it from the beginning or the end. So you clean up both surfaces, unlock the window itself. Again, both of these locks have to be in the up position. You slide this inside sash to the middle. Then very simply, you get a good grip on the bottom and you lift up on this and the entire sash physically comes in. I then clean up this portion, set it aside. The second sash is also removable from the inside. There is one additional step you have to do to this prior to removing it. There is a fin, so there are 3 screws, and it could be up to 4 depending on how tall your two-lite slider actually is. But I remove those 3 screws and the fin will actually come off. Once that's done, now I can take this to the center, and I've already pre-removed this for this video, but remove those and you can actually lift this up once it's in the center. This also comes apart, so you can get at this window, clean it up, and now I'm ready to put it back in place. So to put the window back together once it's clean, again, make sure you're not touching any of the glass that you just cleaned. Get it to the center of this window, lift it up, and it slides right back in. I then take that fin, I put that fin back, attach the 3 or 4 screws into the pre-drilled areas. Make sure I only tighten them with a hand screwdriver. Do not use a drill or a battery-operated screw gun to take care of this, okay? Once that's in place, I've got the other sash. That I take to the middle on here as well. Slide it up under the middle, and it slides right back into place. Put them together, lock the 2 windows together. And that's how easy it is to clean a two-lite slider at AHT Wisconsin Windows.